Welcome to All That Matters, a channel about all and everything. All of us want to have food cooked in a safe manner. One of the safest ways to cook is to cook the food in a stainless steel utensil and not in aluminium or any other lower grade metals. So in a view to change all my aluminium cookware to stainless steel, I have been making small changes in my kitchen's utensils. I have been replacing my aluminium cookers to stainless steel ones. In this process, I have been in search for a good stainless steel cooker. There are many stainless steel cookers in the market, but I was looking for something which is durable and also sturdy and doesn't require replacement in next few years, maybe say 5 years or so. And I also wanted something in which I can cook one pot rice like pulao, biryani or any other one pot recipes, for which the cooker needs to be sturdy and should not get burnt easily at the bottom. So in my search I found this cooker, which is from the Bergner brand, which is a tri-ply cooker. Tri-ply in the sense it has 3 layers, the top layer being of stainless steel, the in-between layer is of aluminium. The reason being aluminium is a good conductor of heat and will ensure that heat gets distributed evenly to the cooker, and the final layer is of stainless steel. So the top and the end layer is of stainless steel to ensure durability and healthy meals, and in between is of aluminium, which doesn't come in contact with the food. So this aluminium layer is sandwiched between the 2 stainless steel layers. So let's see the unboxing of 3.5 liters unpressure cooker of Bergner. So this is how the box came. I had ordered this from Flipkart. So this is how it came. Let us open this up. You can see what is written on the box. It says Bergner redefining everyday life, and it's the Argent Elements Megastar 3.5 liter cooker, and unpressure, meaning it takes off the pressure from cooking. Introducing the world's first unpressure cooker with tri-ply. It also has some bonus to fusible discs. Let us see what these are. And again here it says induction compatibility and gas compatibility, electric. So you can have a look at this. This is of 18 centimeter and this comes with a 5-year warranty. Same thing in different sides of the cooker also. Manual and warranty certificate. Let's come to this later. Just for support, I guess. Let's see what's inside this. Weight. cooker looks. This is quite heavy. Let's open this up. So it is a silicone gel, and here is a warning: due to triply, the energy efficiency is 2x than regular stainless steel. It is highly recommended to cook on slow and medium flame for longer life of the cooker and to stay in warranty. Heating on high flame leads to hot spots on the cooker. So this is very sturdy and very heavy cooker. Inside it is matte finish, and there is a measuring scale also, where there is a minimum and maximum and how much is the liters you can cook. Here it's written Bergner. The handles are pre-fit already and seem to be very sturdy. And here it is written the compatibility. Argent Elements 3-ply pressure cooker, 5 years warranty, 3.5 liters, and electric gas halogen induction. Now let's come to the handle. The cap of the handle is also very heavy and sturdy, and this is the silicone gasket, which is more lasting than the regular rubber gaskets. And the safety valve, if you see here, it has a push mechanism. So when you close the cooker, there is a red dot which comes in, which indicates the cooker is locked. When you unlock it, that goes inside. See this? And the other safety lock as well. So overall, a good pressure cooker, I can say. I feel this is sufficient for a family of 3 to cook. Let us see the instructions. So this is the guarantee, what are all the things which are covered. And not sure what this is. This is the fusible disc. This is the fusible disc, I guess. How to assemble is the instructions given here. Yeah, let us come to this. So what is in the carton? Pressure cooker, whistle, silicone gasket, cooker body. This is the pressure cooker lid, user manual, warranty card, and the fusible discs. And this is the user manual. This is the terms of warranty, safety precautions which need to be taken. Continue. Getting acquainted with the pressure cooker, how to use, fill lines, all the instructions and cleaning instructions here. Care and maintenance, and helpful hints. So to give you an idea, this is how the size of the pressure cooker is. You can see based on how I'm holding it to give an estimate of what the size. I'm happy with this purchase. This looks like a sturdy cooker, unlike other brands which I have seen, and I intend to take a 5.5 liter pressure cooker as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.